Chapter 5, Plants and Animals Live Together. In Chapter 4, we saw lots of plants. Have you noticed that where there are plants, there are animals too? Look carefully and you will find that there are lots of animals living on, around, and even underneath the plants that you see. Here are some pictures of animals living together with plants. Which of these do you recognize from the pictures? Which of them have you seen before? Which of these animals live under the ground? Elephants feeding on grass, a moth resting on a leaf, a caterpillar chewing a leaf, earthworms on leaves and soil, a tailor bird singing, a woodpecker on a tree trunk, ants building their nest using leaves, a colorful sting bug on a leaf, a frog resting on a leaf, a butterfly perched on a leaf, squirrels using tree hollow to hide and rest, a barbet using a tree hollow for nesting. Life in the soil. Stand on the soil next to a plant. If you are comfortable, remove your footwear. What color is the soil under your feet? Pick up a little soil near your plant friend with your hands. How does it look and feel? Is it dry, damp, rough, smooth, hard, or grainy? Did you find any leaves or insects in the soil? Now smell this soil and remember it. Repeat the above activity a day after it rains. Remember to pick up the soil from the same place. Did you find any differences in the look, feel, and smell of the soil? Pick up a little soil from another place, far away from any plants. Is it different from the soil that you collected earlier? In what ways? Examine the soil more carefully. What small things do you notice in it? Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. Soil is made from rocks that have broken up into tiny pieces, as well as old leaves, roots, stem, and living and dead animals like insects. Soil has many insects and other creatures living in it. Some you can see and some are too small to see. On the top layer of soil and moving around between the grass and leaves, you might find insects like ants, termites, small beetles, and grasshoppers. Do you know animals, birds, and insects use different parts of plants for food, shelter, and resting? Camels eat leaves of plants. Squirrels and crows use twigs from plants to build their nest and to bring up their young ones. Sunbirds and butterflies drink nectar from different flowers. Birds like owls use hollows in the trees to bring up their young ones. Monkeys love eating the fruits of plants. Tailor birds stitch leaves of plants to build their nest. Bats and leopards use the branches of trees to rest and for shelter. Caterpillars munch on different leaves of plants for food.